Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a quick look at AXI. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get started. AXI, or formerly known as AxiTrader, was founded in 2007 and is based in Australia, along with it having offices in London, which were opened in 2012. AXI focuses predominantly on the provision of financial products for retail investors. With more than 400,000 registered traders in over 100 countries and a monthly client trading volume of around $100 billion, AXI makes provision for traders of all backgrounds with different levels of knowledge. AXI's business conduct is based on being a modern Forex broker with values that are built on honesty, transparency, and trust. This broker provides the best possible pricing in conjunction with the latest and best trading technology. AXI is regulated and authorized by the ASIC, or the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, along with the FCA in the United Kingdom, which are two of the strictest and most demanding authorization institutions. In addition, AXI is also regulated and authorized by the DFSA in the Middle East. AXI is a transparent provider, and according to regulations imposed by both the FCA and ASIC, clients' funds are kept in segregated accounts with top-tier banks. These funds are also secured by compensation funds. Depending on the region in which an account with AXI is registered, traders have access to leverage of up to 1 to 400. The FCA has updated the limits to only allow traders a leverage of 1 to 30. This is due to the risks involved with high leverage levels. But, should traders hold an account registered through the ASIC, they can make use of the maximum leverage of 1 to 400 provided. The maximum level of leverage allowed will be determined by the type of account the trader chooses, and it can range from 1 to 50 to 1 to 400. AXI offers traders the choice between two account types, with the choice of opening a demo account on each, which has the same features and virtual funding with which trading can be explored without the risk of losing actual funds. There are also 3 options when opening an account with AXI, and the account can either be for an individual, a joint account, or a corporate account that is owned by a legal entity. AXI's standard account features no deposit fees, spreads from 0.4 pips, 0 commission fees, a minimum trade size of 0.01 lots, as well as access to over 140 Forex pairs, metals, CFDs, and many more. Their Pro account has similar features to the standard account, but differs in spreads starting from 0.0 pips, as well as commission of $7 round trip. Regardless of the account that the trader chooses, they have access to more than 140 Forex pairs, and other instruments such as commodities, gold and silver, metals, oil, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their featured platform is available on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Opening an account with AXI is simple and easy to do. On their homepage, simply click on Open an Account. Then the applicant is required to complete the online application form by filling in their details. As soon as the application form has been completed, the applicant's identification will need to be verified. This is done through the uploading of either a copy of the applicant's ID card, driver's license, or passport. In addition, the applicant's proof of residence must be verified, and therefore a utility bill or bank statement not older than 3 months must be uploaded along with the proof of identification. Once the application has been submitted and required documents have been approved, the applicant will receive their login details. The account can then be funded and trading can begin. AXI's dedicated educational center features video tutorials in Forex trading, market analysis, trading psychology, trading strategies, stocks, and several others. AXI also provides seminars and webinars with which to aid beginner traders in sharpening their knowledge and skills in trading. Their website comes equipped with charting tools, a news feed, as well as an economic calendar, which can be accessed through the MetaTrader 4 platform. They also offer a section which is dedicated to the viewing of live Forex spreads. The company has also won several awards, such as the Best IB and Affiliate Program Worldwide of 2013, the Best Forex Broker in Asia in 2013, the Financial Institution of the Year in 2014, the Most Reliable Forex Broker in 2017, and several others. Not only does AXI cater for the beginners, but its offering and competitive pricing, along with trading conditions, caters for professional traders who trade at high volumes. In addition to using a well-known and used trading platform, MetaTrader 4, there is also added support from third-party plugins that add to the trading experience, and provides traders with the best services suited to their trading needs. And that is our overview of AXI. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.